Let me show you a simple but powerful workflow I've built. Whenever a user submits feedback through our form, the system automatically processes it with the help of an AI agent. The AI reads the feedback and understands whether it's a complaint, a compliment, or a feature request. That information is then merged and passed through a smart switch, which sorts the feedback into the right category. Finally, everything is neatly stored in Airtable. Complaints go into one table, compliments in another, and new feature requests in their own place. This way, we never lose track of valuable feedback. It's organised, actionable, and helps us continuously improve our product. And the best part? It all happens automatically, with no manual sorting needed.